My bad, chat. My bad, I'm here now, sorry.
Yeah, we're in the lab.
Chat, sorry I haven't been really talking to you guys today. It's been pretty hectic. How are you guys doing, man? Happy Friday to everybody. Fucking love you guys, man. Thanks for everybody hanging out, man. Almost 20,000 people here. You guys are fucking awesome.
We're in the lab, Ramen.
Yeah, I'm coming down right now. Is the power out right now?
Yeah.
It's just dark as fuck in here for me.
I'm decent at every sport. The only one I didn't get big into was baseball. I quit T-ball.
Yeah, bro, it's hard.
I was playing T-ball. I think I have, it's too
Baseball's
slow
that
for me.
one sport, bro. If you don't play it since you were a kid, you're gonna suck. Like that's just the way it is.
Yeah, well, the problem is I was playing T-ball right now. Whenever I'd be in the outfield, I'd be just sitting in the grass playing with the grass. I just quit.
All right, let's start it.
All right, teach me what do I need to do, boys?
Just you start at 6 and you just go in order.
All right, don't do nothing. Ready?
Yeah.
So you gotta explain to him, bro. He didn't.
All right, yeah.
So I'm gonna start at the laptop here. As soon as I start, I'll say go. That's when you peek number 6 here. You do whatever it says. Once it's done, you're gonna rotate to number 7. You follow me?
All right, I didn't hear a word you just said.
All right, so I'm gonna start on the laptop. Once it starts, I'll say go. You're gonna start on 6.
Okay.
Peek it, do it. Rami's gonna start on 4. He's gonna peek it, do it. Once 6 is done, you come over to 7. You're gonna peek 7, do it. Once 7's done, you're gonna go to 1, which is right behind. You're gonna grab ingredients off the shelf.
And then
Immediately,
go follow
yeah.
the
Then
order.
go over 2, put it in the 2. Once 2's done, do 3, 4, and you just keep going around and around and around.
Got it.
Should we wait till the power's back?
Ah, fuck it, we'll be fine.
I'm down. Yeah, let's do it. I
You
can't
think
see
we're good
shit,
with-
but
without-
I can see the numbers, so I'm good.
All right, you want me to start?
Oh, I can adjust the team levels right now.
No, don't.
I know, I'm not. But did you do? Oh, you.
I'm gonna adjust the code and see if we can get a high percentage.
Okay, okay.
Just shout when you're ready.
I haven't talked to Gabs about the CG mansion. What the fuck are you talking about? It wasn't Gabs. Gabs had nothing to do with it. It was Sanjay.
Wait, I need to drink my coffee.
Gabs wants to help make it? Oh shit, hell yeah. Kay, are you good?
Yeah, let's put in the code in.
Oh.
I'm ready. I just drank my coffee, boys.
All right, start.
How much does this cost us to do one of these?
$1,000, right?
No,
5K.
because the paint thinner's like 4.5 plus the other shit. Yeah, probably like 5-6 grand.
And how much do we make?
Well, if we
We
do
make meth.
12 total runs, we make like what? What do you say? 500K?
Or 500K. You got to work your way up. So I think you start at like
Christ.
380, then 420, then 500.
You're not done, Remy?
No,
You didn't drink coffee?
I did.
You sure? Did you wake back up?
You're
You're gonna fuck it up. You're taking too long. We're gonna have to wait for Romney to finish his hutch when he's. You're taking way too long. You sure you probably?
I drank coffee, bro. Holy fuck.
All right, Hutch. Wait to do.
Probably fucking scuffed out or some shit.
Wait for after that.
Coffee lasts the whole restart, chat.
All right, let me know when to grab the ingredients.
Yeah, once Romney's done his. Rami, you need to communicate the Hutch, all right? When you're done,
Yeah,
you tell
yeah.
him to go ahead.
All right. Well, we're supposed to
We're
start
just
at the
starting the
same
next
time,
one.
right? Yeah. Not yet, Hutch. Wait.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Okay. The settings are getting low. Is that what you're doing right now, Rami?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I think your shit's fucked up.
Anybody have coffee on them?
No, you're just way slower than all of us.
What the fuck is this? Yeah.
You almost done?
Yeah, I did it. All right, Hutch,
Go,
start
Hutch.
right now.
Yeah, I'm grabbing it. I'm grabbing
Boom, and then put it right into 2.
it. Yep, got it. Dropping.
It doesn't matter if someone's faster, by the way. Whoever told us that it really just matters about these dials at the bottom. As long as we keep these from going to 0, which you guys can't even see them, we're good. Because you're doing the temperature right now, Rami, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's getting low, so that'll be replenished. Steam's replenished.
Let me know when you want me to start the dials.
Yep, you're on 3, not yet though.
Yep.
Wait
I'm
till
waiting.
once Rami's done.
Yep.
Yeah, your shit must have scuffed, Rami.
Yeah, I think so.
It's alright though, doesn't matter.
Yeah, we'll be all right.
Let me know when you finish, Rami.
Just went? Not yet. Go now?
Doing it.
Boom.
You guys want music or no music?
How long does this take?
Like 10, 15 minutes.
Oh, cool. All right, Rami. Let me know when.
Yeah.
You're doing ingredients next, right, Rami?
I'm gonna grab ingredients and then when I start the bin, Hutch, when I start number 2, you start. Because ingredients
Tell
is
me
like
when,
10
brother. I'm
seconds.
just listening
Yeah,
to
yeah.
you.
Oh yeah, baby, keep going.
That's right, Robbie. Hit it right on the back for you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Get over there, Rami.
Ingredients are getting low, bro. You gotta get there quick, Rami.
I'm going. All right, Hutch, go.
Go.
Bro, this is kind of like a crazy shootout spot.
Yeah,
I know. I
pretty
hope
much.
someone fucking tries to mess with us.
All right.
You
Done.
almost done, Rami? It's getting pretty low.
All right.
Good
Hutch, go.
Begin.
Starting.
I feel like your coffee weared off. Hutch. That we and you just finished that at the same time.
I think 2 is just faster.
2 is faster.
Oh, okay. Nobody. Thanks for that 5 gifted, bro. Basic. Thanks for that 31. Kale, thanks for that 3 months.
Done.
You keep going. You keep going. You don't stop.
No, wait for Rami. Wait for Rami.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't
Yeah.
No, but I'm saying, I
yeah.
thought you said when you said done, I thought you just stopped because you did one whole round.
Oh no. I'm just waiting for you.
All right, go.
Yes, sir, look at that ass.
Make sure you're going
Oh,
quick,
fuck
Rami.
yeah,
Your shit's
finally.
getting like farther and farther
Fuck yeah,
behind you,
baby.
Rami.
Oh my god.
I
Yo,
know
Rami,
it'll be good, but
Rami, you want to hear another dumb me moment?
What?
For the longest time, my city has been dark as shit, and I always thought it was like an OBS thing. I realized that my brightness was only the 20% this whole
Oh,
time
you
for the
fucked
last
up.
2.5
My
years.
shit's all the way. My brightness is all the way up, so I can see like people from
what
far
the
away.
fuck? You are that type.
Yeah, 100%. Fuck that. Cops do it, bro.
No, that's your problem, though, Rami.
What?
You gotta put yourself at a deficit, right? So then when you
Hey,
go to normal
want me to
mode,
go
you're a
ahead and do
fucking
this,
monster.
K? You want me to go ahead and do this, K, and then wait
No,
for
no, no,
wait
no,
the
wait.
ingredients?
Wait.
Sounds good.
Because Ramis are getting farther and farther behind.
All right, how'd you
All
go?
right, good. Yeah, bro, I was playing on like fucking 17, 20 FPS for years with a Dell keyboard, just
too,
garbage,
bruh.
everything.
Bro,
Then when I got a normal
I had foam in my fucking PC for 2.5 years.
Bro, I was sawing holes through my fucking PC case for, you know, ventilation.
Knuckleheads,
Ice
thank you for
packs
that
on
20
it.
gifted, bro. You're a legend.
Sculpted in the fucking
You're a
fires
beast,
of hell,
Knuckleheads.
okay?
Thank you so much
Yeah,
from the bottom
and
of
then
my
when I
heart.
got fucking real shit, woo, it was
Yeah,
over.
same.
I was still fucking shit up with the garbage shit too, to be honest.
Dude, I found out all my shit during the Tarkov period of my fucking life, and let me tell you, it was a whole new world. Let me know when you want me to grab ingredients.
Let's wait for Ramen.
Knuckleheads with another 20 gifted, bro. Thank you, man. All right, go.
You want me to go straight to the fucking, what's it called, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to go straight to this?
Yeah.
Sorry, Rami, I trust you, but I also don't want to fuck this up.
Almost done, so.
Motherfucker.
Knuckleheads, thank you so much,
Actually,
bro.
might be it here in a second.
Got removed from boosting cube, man.
Damn it, Sincere.
Yo, Dennis, thanks for that 5 months. Knuckleheads, you're just a fucking
Let me know
god.
when the next one is.
One more pack. Thanks for that prime, bro.
Bro, you guys wouldn't believe the amount of VIN scratches that are in this city. It's actually crazy.
People hoarding them.
Give me a number. I'll tell you over or under.
How many VIN scratches? 550?
Go.
Over. I can't say anything else.
650?
Over.
Start Hutch?
Yeah, I already started. It's over both those.
1,000.
I can't say anything else. It's over.
1,200.
I can't. No, about that. I can't. We're gonna bring it down to the number. I can't say anything else.
Oh, it's done. Oh, what the fuck, Ramu? We got extra shit this time.
What you
What we
mean?
get? What number?
I got 4 pouches this time.
Oh, hell
What's
yeah.
the percentage?
You guys can stop.
Oh.
All right, we won't know until we won't know until it's cured. So we gotta go stash it in Anthos' place, and then we'll be ready now. Holy fuck, we got 4.
go, bro.
Pretty sure
That
it's rare.
rep.
Usually it's rare. Bro, I might be the fucking prodigy of cooking, Ron. We want to just unlock some new shit. Apparently getting 4 is rare.
Really?
Yeah, usually you don't get 4.
That fucking synergy, bruh.
First time we did it, 83%. Second time we got 4. Like, come on,
Hopefully you adjusted it
bro,
in the right
if this
levels.
percentage is in the 90s, woo.
We're gonna be making money.
Thanks for dying. Thanks for that 22 months, bro. All right.